What if I told you that most people work their entire lives, yet still struggle with money? The truth is, becoming financially successful isn't about luck. It's about following a few simple rules. Today, you'll discover the 10 personal finance rules that can completely change your future. And trust me, if you apply these rules, your relationship with money will never be the same. Let's begin. Rule has hone. Spend less than you earn. The first rule is simple. Always spend less than you earn. Most people increase their spending every time their income increases. But wealthy people do the opposite. They control their expenses and focus on building wealth. Because no matter how much money you make, if you spend it all, you'll always stay broke. Rule #2. Pay yourself first before paying bills. Before buying new things, pay yourself first. Save at least 20% of every paycheck. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid every month, because small amounts saved consistently can become something much bigger over time. Rule #3. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but credit card debt and unnecessary loans can destroy your finances. Before borrowing money, ask yourself one simple question. Do I really need this? Remember, debt steals your future income, and financial freedom begins when debt stops controlling your life. Rule #4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses can appear at any moment. A medical bill, a job loss, or a financial emergency. That's why you need an emergency fund. Try to save enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses, because your emergency fund is your financial safety net. Rule #5. Start investing early. The most powerful tool in investing isn't money, it's time. The earlier you start investing, the more your money can grow. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small investments today can become life-changing amounts in the future. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Rule #6. Increase your income. Saving money is important, but increasing your income is just as important. Learn new skills. Start a side hustle. Invest in yourself, because the more value you create, the more money you can earn. Rule #7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's a mistake that traps millions of people. As soon as they earn more, they spend more. They buy a bigger car, a bigger house, and more expensive things. But truly wealthy people upgrade their investments before upgrading their lifestyle. Control your lifestyle, and your money will grow faster. Rule #8. Track every dollar. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track your spending. Review your finances every month. Know exactly where your money is going, because awareness creates control, and control creates wealth. Rule #9. Keep learning about money. Schools teach many subjects, but very few teach financial education. Read books, watch videos, learn from successful investors. The more you understand money, because the better decisions you'll make. Rule #0. Think long term. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It takes discipline, it takes patience, and it takes consistency. Focus on small habits, and remember, stay committed. The choices you make today will shape your future tomorrow. If you found these rules helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos about money and success, because the more you understand money, the more control you'll have over your future.